Okay, so hello my lovelies. I know it's been a while, so I'm gonna jump right into this tutorial. This is my updated no makeup for winter, since you know it's a little bit harsh and cold outside. So I've already prepped my face with coconut oil, so I'm gonna dive right in. So I have this newfound obsession with the new Beauty Blender Bounce foundations. I've been using this stuff, I love it. However, it does have like a little orangey tone, but it's okay because it oxidizes pretty nice. I'm color 4.05W. Okay, so I just need about 2 pumps of this, so I just unlock it and I just do 2 pumps like that. And then using my sponge, I just wipe it off and apply like so on my face. As you guys know, I don't really concentrate foundation on my forehead. I will show you what I do. But I'm just gonna blend all of this out. This is a full coverage foundation, so it is definitely buildable. But as you can see, with one coat, it's pretty much all you need. I go under my jawline so that you see no line of demarcation, and behind my sideburns. And then I just drag whatever's left up here, but I don't go all the way up here. Boom. Then I just lock it back, because you don't want this dripping everywhere in your makeup bag, okay? I love this concealer for under my eyes, but I'm gonna use it today to conceal. So I'm using the color Cocoa, and I'm just going to put that up here, right here, right here, and a little on my nose. And I'm just going to blend this out and drag it into my foundation. And this is the Born This Way concealer in the color Cocoa. And I actually really like how this color goes on. Now with contouring, I like my contour to look very natural-like, so I don't go in and I do my contour all around the edge of my face like a moon, and then bring it into contour. To me, it just looks more natural. It looks like the shadow is naturally there, rather than just contour here, contour here, contour here. It's like, where's this gap? Like, so now I'm going in with concealer. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this, as you guys have know I did a video on concealer already. So definitely go check that video out if you wanna see a more detailed version of how I do my concealer. But I am going in with Too Faced Butterscotch, and I'm just gonna quickly highlight under my eyes. Just bringing light back to this area so that it doesn't look flat, but I do not over contour my nose at all. And then just gonna blend out this concealer. Alright, so once you have your concealer set, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it with my Banana Ben Nye. And then I'm just gonna set down the bridge of my nose slightly. And then taking my dense fluffy brush, I'm just gonna press in this powder. I don't know why I just did that, I don't know. Maybe because I'm starting to look more human, I don't know. All right, so now I'm just gonna go do my brows really quick, and then I shall be right back. If you wanna check out that video, I'll leave the link in the description box below, as well as how I conceal my deep set eyes. Both those links will be in the description box, as well as maybe right in one of these corners. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some falsies. I'm just using some mascara. It don't really matter because my lashes are trash. Mascara just helps with blending my falsies a little bit better. While my mascara dries, I'm just gonna go in with this dark brown pencil from Wet n Wild and outline the outer portion of my lips. Go in with Eniale Cosmetics in the color Elaine. And just do 2 swipes, super pigmented. And then I'm just gonna go in with Krylon High Gloss Lip Gloss. It's just a clear, apply some to the middle. Boom, that's my lips. Now I'm just gonna go in with these lashes. These are from Naimes. It is a local store in LA. And they're just these little wispies. I'm gonna put these, I dropped it. I don't know where I dropped it. Okay, I found it. All right, the struggle. All right, so I'm just gonna put these out really quick. and I shall be right back. I don't know why I do these random accents sometimes. I really don't know. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm tired or trying to keep myself up. And boom, just did my hair. I just literally put in a bun. But this is my final look. This is my no makeup, very neutral, very nude makeup. You guys know that's always my vibe, so I'm always looking for different products that can create this look so effortlessly with little to no time. I do my makeup in like literally 15 minutes or less. So yeah, this is my face, y'all. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends. Like usual, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Deuces. Well, this is deuces, but you get the drift. Bye.